So today the question number 2 of exercise 12.1. The question on your screen. The question is the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. Okay, you have came across the flyover in a town. Okay, so this type of flyover, a triangular side walls are there. It means side walls means that in the two side. Okay, if you entry and then you return, that is a two parts or two walls of the flyover. Okay, we have to find the area, but the given is the sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Okay, see in the figure also. Okay, there are two walls, one wall is there and one wall is the right hand side and one wall is the left hand side. Okay, so there are two walls. The advertisements yields an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. Okay, so per year the advertisement yields an earning of 5,000. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay, so we have to first calculate the area of the triangular walls, two walls. Okay, then because there are two walls, so we have to multiply 2 with the area. Okay, then where the area is calculated, then per meter square the earning we have to calculate, then the timing is calculated at 3 months or a year, then we calculate. Okay, then finally we can calculate the rent. Okay, so let's solve it. So this is the solution of question number 2. That is, given this, the sides of the walls. This is the figure. Okay, this is an flyover. You can okay. This is you can go. This is the upper limit, and then we can down. This is go and this is down. You can upright and then down. So this is the below road. Okay, on the below flyover below, this is the road also. Okay, so this is the triangular side, one triangular side, and this is the another triangular side. Okay, so these are two triangular side. So after finding the area, we have to multiply 2. Okay, so we have to find first the area of one triangular side, then we can multiply 2. So given A equal to 22 meter, B equal to 120 meter and C equal to 122 meter. Then we can find the perimeter, that is A plus B plus C, that is 264 meter. This is your perimeter. So what about your semi perimeter? That is A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 132 meter. Then you will find the area, that is A is multiplied with, this is the Heron's formula. Okay, so you can put the values of S and A, B, C. Okay, this is the number you get, but for finding the square root you have to pair the number. Okay, if there are pairs, then you have to pair. So when we simplify or factorize the 132, you can find it is the multiplication of 11 and 12, and 110 is multiplication of 11 and 10. So this is 11 and 11 are paired, then 12 and 12 are paired, and 10 and 10 are paired. So we can get from this, that is 11 and 11, 1 11 is remaining, 12 and 12, 1 12 is remaining, and that is 10. Okay, then we have to multiply this, that is how much? 1320. Okay, because 11 and 12 to multiply 132, 132 is multiplied with 10 to give 1320 meter square. This is the area of one wall, one triangular wall. Okay, but you have to find the area of two triangular wall, so you have to multiply 2 on this area. Okay, so note down, please note down. So this is our area. Then a total area of triangular walls, that is 2 multiplied with this. Okay, so that is how much? 2640 meters square. This is the total area of 2 walls. This is one wall, this is another wall. Okay, but it is given that per meter square per year the earning of the advertisement is 5,000 rupees. Okay, so you can note down this. Then per meter square earning is how much? That is 5,000 rupees. So for 2640 meter square earning is 5,000 is multiplied with 2640. This is the amount. Okay, but given that this is per year, this is per year. Okay, but the rent is for 3 months. Rent is for 3 months, but this is for 1 year. This amount for 1 year. So 1 year means 12 months. So this is the earning for 1 year means the earning for 12 months. So twelve months earning equal to this. So 3 months earning equal to how much? That is 5,000 multiplied with 2460 upon 12 is multiplied with 3. Okay, 3 4 ja 12. Okay, 4 6 ja 24, 660. That is 5,660. Okay, that is you have. This is the answer. The result becomes the answer. Okay, you can multiply this. This is the amount, that is 3 lakhs and 33 lakhs. Okay, 33 lakhs. This is the rent. This is the rent for 3 months, because this is the amount of 12 months. Per year means 12 months. For 12 months, this is the rent. And for 3 months, a company take the rent. So for 3 months, he had to pay this rent. That is 33 lakhs. Okay, this is your answer. You can note down this. See, the question, in the question, this exercise is related with the Heron's formula. So you put the Heron's formula. But if in your exam this question is asked, you can also done in other way. The way is, see, 22 square is 484. 120 square, this is a triangle. Okay, from this figure you can also recognize that the triangle is a right angle triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle, and we can easily find the area of right angle triangle. But Heron's formula is applied where the height is not find, can be not possibly find. Okay, so here we can find the height easily. So this is a, because this is a right angle triangle, so you can also apply the area formula for right angle triangle and don't go to the Heron's formula. Okay, you can easily find the area of the right angle triangle without using the Heron's formula. That is, this is the right angle triangle. How can you recognize? That is 22 square is 484 and 120 square is 14400. Then 122 square is, that is how much? One 8884. Okay. So if I add this, that is 22 square plus 120 square, I will get obviously this. So this square plus this. Okay. So the height, square of height and the square of base give the square of hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Yes or no? If you add this, you get, that is 4, that is 8, that is 4 4 is 8, and this. Okay. So this is 4, this is 4. Okay. So you can also get this. This is, you can add it. So this is the formula for, that is Pythagoras theorem. So you can easily recognize that this is a right angle triangle, and according to the area of right angle triangle, you can find the area, that is half base into height. Base is 120 and height is 22. That is 2, 11 to the 22. That is 0 this meter square. And for 2 walls you can multiply 2. You can easily find the area without using the Heron's formula. Okay. If the question is by using Heron's formula, then you have to follow this method. If there is no mention that by using Heron's formula, simply find the area, then you can apply this formula also. Okay. So thank you.